The next tool is the Jupyter Notebook. This is the original web application for creating and sharing computational. This notebook offers simple, streamlined document-centric experience. The Jupyter Notebook has many languages of choice, so we can use more than 40 programming languages with the Jupyter Notebook, including Python, R, Julia, Scala, and many. So over 40 programming languages are supported by Jupyter Notebook. So if we have one Jupyter Notebook, which is a web-based application, so don't have to install anything, just on the web, uh, create a Jupyter Notebook, start working with that. So that gives a lot of freedom working. We can also share the notebooks with other users through email, Dropbox, GitHub, and Jupyter Notebook viewers. We can get interactive output from Jupyter Notebook, and the code can produce rich and interactive output in the formats HTML, images, videos, LATEX, and the Jupyter Notebook is a big data integration, leverage big data tools such as Apache Spark, used for Python, R, and Scala. We can explore the same data with pandas, scikit-learn, ggplot2, and TensorFlow. It's a multi-user version of notebook designed for companies, classrooms, research labs. Also, pluggable authentication. We can manage users authentication with PAM, author, integrate with your own directory service system. So very much useful while deploying, because we do have centralized deployment. With this, we can deploy a Jupyter Notebook to thousands of users in organization, centralized infrastructure on our site. That makes things simpler. The container is friendly, so we can use Docker, Kubernetes to scale the deployment, isolate user processes, and simplify software installation. Here the code meets data. Deploy the notebook next to the code to provide unified software management and data access to the organization. So just a glimpse how a Jupyter notebook look like. So it can produce a very wonderful graphic outputs. It can produce numeric outputs, form of tables, charts. So that's a overview how Jupyter can be used overall cloud environment. We have a kernel where Python or R is being run. Then we have a Jupyter server. The Jupyter server is using the document. The client is shown through the web socket. So that's the Jupyter Notebook, the server, Jupyter system. Any more, please keep watching.